Has a plastic water pipe ever broken and got stuck inside a valve or wall? Here's the first trick to remove it. Heat a drill chuck with a torch, press it into the pipe, and twist. The plastic grips automatically, and the pipe comes right out. Here's another simple trick. Shape a piece of wood into a point so it fits inside the pipe. Hammer it in firmly, then use a screwdriver to twist and remove the pipe. Trick number 3. Take 2 bolts and place them inside the pipe at an angle. Insert a screwdriver between them and twist. The bolts grip the pipe, and it unscrews easily. Trick number 4. Take a metal flat washer and hold it with pliers. Heat it with a torch, push it into the pipe, and let it cool. Once it's set, grab it with pliers and twist the pipe out. And trick number 5, my favorite one. This is a tool I made myself to remove broken threaded pipes. It's simple, effective, and very useful. Just push it into the pipe. Tighten the screw so it locks in place, then use a screwdriver to twist the pipe out. If you want to build this tool yourself, I have a full video on my channel showing how to make. It also works for removing metal threaded pipes the same way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tricks.